Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can view the shutter count of a Nikon camera. Now, to view the shutter count, you can't do it on the camera itself. The information is embedded into the photos that are taken with the camera. So what you need to do is you need to plug your SD card from the camera into the computer. So I'll just do that. And then once you have your SD card plugged into the computer, you then want to go and find the most recent picture that you've taken with the camera. So for me, that is this one here. And then once you've found your picture, you then want to come to this site here. The link will be in the description. And you want to click Choose File. Then you want to locate your picture. So for me, that is that one. And then we will click Open. Then you want to click the Upload button. And the site will then look at the EXIF date of the image and then come back and tell you the shutter count of the camera at the point that that picture was taken. So that is why you want to use the most recent picture that has been taken, as that is the current shutter count of my camera. So guys, hopefully that worked for you. If you liked the video, don't forget the like button. If you decide to hit the dislike button, subscribe, stuff like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.